Alright guys, so thank you for joining us for another video. So today what we're gonna try to do is Massaman curry, Massaman chicken curry. This is a dish that we tried on our trip to Thailand. I also prepared it already once during our Thai cooking class. I would say it's one of my favorite dishes that we tried in Thailand, so we're gonna try to prepare it here at home today. I'm going to start with preparing some of the ingredients, and we'll get to cooking. Okay, so next we're peeling a potato, and we sort of want to dice this up into smallish chunks, and thus we need to dice up an onion. So one more ingredient that we need to prepare is some roasted peanuts, which we need to crush down. And now we start cooking. So we're heating up the coconut milk, and we bought this curry paste from the chef at the cooking class. So yeah, we're gonna drop this one into the coconut milk. So we just dropped the chicken and potatoes and peanuts into the milk and curry. Next we are going to add some salt and sugar. So about half a teaspoon of salt, and a good teaspoon of sugar. Mix that in. And now we have to wait a bit for the chicken to cook and for the potato to soften. Simmering for about 10 minutes now, and we're gonna add some onions to it. Mix it in, and we're gonna lower the heat a bit more and let it simmer until we get the right consistency and the potato has softened, because it still has yet to soften. So we're gonna give it a taste. It's very spicy, but very tasty. So we're gonna try to balance it out a bit with sugar. Our quality control manager. Okay, so I think we're done. Potatoes softened, it's a nice creamy consistency of the curry. We're ready to serve. Obviously we're serving this with the compulsory rice side dish. So that's our Massaman curry. We'll link the video to the cooking class if you want to see that. There's other recipes apart from this one that we learned how to prepare. And obviously, if you want, there is also the entire series of our Thailand trip if you want to follow that one. And the only thing that's left is now to actually properly taste our Massaman. It's really good. It's a hint of spice, which is, I think it's well balanced. So yeah, thank you for following this video, and hope to see you in the next one. Ciao.